So the Oscars just happened. Not really. But I bet that got you thinking, can I make a movie? Well, you came to the wrong place, because the answer is yes, you can. Here are the steps that you need to make a movie. Step 1, have an idea. To make a movie, you first need to have an idea. The goal is to take a story that's already been popular and it's changed so much stuff around that by the time you're done, you can just call it yours. Remember, Reservoir Dogs is based off Sitting on Fire. Step 2, create a script or a shot list. You think you can make a movie without having to make a shot list or a script like the rest of us? You're in for a surprise. Write a script that focuses on what happens in the story. Now from point A to point B. Keep it simple, don't go too exaggerated. Remember, you gotta edit this shit later. The shot list is important to know how many times you're gonna be moving the camera before you give up on the movie entirely. It's super annoying. You wanna make things easy for yourself? Add a lot of dialogue. It really pads up the runtime. Step 3, get your actors. You can't afford this. And by actors, I mean your friends, because unless you have parents in the film industry, you know who you are, then you're gonna wanna find people to do this for free because you can't afford this. Get your friends, get your family, even that guy. Really find people who care about you because they're gonna be starting a movie for almost little to no pay. It's either that or play all the parts by yourself. It's what I do. Step 4, record. For this step, you have to have a lot of patience because the amount of times people are going to mess up in between takes is insane to think about, but you're not allowed to make mistakes. Get ready for 10, 20, maybe even 127 time takes until you eventually give up and say, you know what, fine, that's good enough. Like, just remember that if it's not exactly how you envisioned it, you're gonna be thinking about it all the time. Step 5, time to edit. The good news is we're almost done with all the steps. The bad news is we're only 40% done. Empty spaces, noise reduction, and don't even get me started on the color correction. Oh shit. This is where the editor will actually do his job and come in here and make something coherent with all the footage you gave him. If you don't have an editor, good luck. Step goddamn 6, market it. Honestly, I hate this one the most. So you have the finished product, but now you have to actually market the story. The best way to do that is through Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, even Facebook for some reason. Add the fun author at all of these, by the way. You need fans, you need stalkers, you need a buzz going. That way everyone wants to watch your movie when it hasn't even been uploaded yet. And if you're really lucky, some big Hollywood studio is gonna come up to you, read your script, watch the movie, and offer to buy it off you for only 10% of its original value. Congratulations, now you know all the steps to make a movie. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see in the future. And remember, always buy the property rights to your story before someone else tries to take your idea and tries to pass it off on as their